Hi there, this is Russian-Plus.com. My name is Vyacheslav, and in this lesson we're going to learn Russian numerals. So first of all, there's two classes. There's cardinals, like 1, 2, 3, and there's ordinals, like first, second, third. Also, we'll learn how to say 10 times, like 10th time. We're going to learn how to say there's 4 of us, there's 5 of us, and some other useful expressions. So let's begin with the basics. Let's learn to count to 100. So first we'll take cardinals. 1 in Russian is один. Один. 2 in Russian is два. Два. 3. Три. Три. 4. Четыре. Четыре. 5. Пять. Пять. 6. Шесть. Шесть. 7. Семь. Семь. 8. Восемь. Восемь. 9. Девять. Девять. 10. Десять. Десять. 11. Одиннадцать. Одиннадцать. 12. Двенадцать. Двенадцать. 13. Тринадцать. Тринадцать. You can easily see that the way these numbers are structured from 11th to the 19th, it's like you take the base of the, say, 3, like три, над, цать. So if you were to assume that цать is 10, then you would say 3 on top of 10. Тринадцать. 14. Четырнадцать. 14. 15. Пятнадцать. 15. 16. Шестнадцать. 16. 17. Семнадцать. 17. 18. Восемнадцать. Again, восемнадцать. It's like 8 on top of 10. 19. Девятнадцать. 19. 20. Двадцать. 20. Alright. When you say 21, you just say 21. 22, 23, and so on. Very easy. Now let's learn to say 30. 30. 30. Just like I said, if you were to assume that цать is a 10, which I guess this is what it meant back in the day, you know, but we don't use цать as 10 anymore. It would be like 3 tens. 30. 40. 40. 40. 50. 50. 50. It's close to like 5, 10. 5, 10. 50. 50. 60. 60. 60. 70. 70. 70. 80. 80. 80. 90. 90. 90. And 100. 100. 100. Now, if you're talking about something on top of 100, like, 105, that would be just 105. 125, 125. Now let's learn to say 1,000. Тысяча, тысяча, 1,000. 10,000. 10,000. 10,000. 100,000. 100,000. 100,000. A million. Миллион. Миллион. Now let's learn how you would use Russian numerals when counting. So if you were to count 1, 2, 3, instead of using 1, 2, 3, you can also say раз, два, три. So the number 1 could be both один or раз. Раз, два, три. Now let's use numerals with nouns. So let's, for example, say 1 apple. Одно яблоко. Одно яблоко. You don't say один яблоко because яблоко is a neuter gender. So you need to use одно instead of один. 1 bicycle. Один велосипед. Один велосипед. That's because the noun bicycle is masculine. Now let's say 1 girl. Одна девушка. Одна девушка. So you see that the numeral 1 in Russian could be changed according to the gender of the noun. Один masculine. Одна feminine. Одно neuter. If we were to say 2 bicycles. Два велосипеда. Два велосипеда. 2 girls. Две девушки. Две девушки. And let's take an example with a neuter. Колесо. Два колеса. So in this case, it stays the same for neuter and masculine. So you have один, одна, одно. Два, две, два. Now with 3, 4, and so on, they don't depend on the gender of the noun. So it would be 3 девушки, 4 девушки, 4 колеса. Now let's talk about ordinals. Ordinals in Russian change by the gender of the following noun. So you can say первый, first, первая, if it's a feminine. Ordinals change by the gender of the following noun. But for us to learn them, let's just take the masculine forms. First, первый, первый. Second, второй, второй. Third, третий, третий. Fourth, четвертый, четвертый. Fifth, пятый, пятый. Sixth, шестой, шестой. Seventh, седьмой, седьмой. Eighth, восьмой, восьмой. Ninth, девятый, девятый. Tenth, десятый, десятый. You probably already noticed the pattern by which they change. So if we were to continue, that would be